In this quick start video, I will show you how to create a pocket. We have a small house. It has a depth of cut of 1 inch, and in the middle of the house we have a window that is only 0.5 of an inch deep. So basically we want to create a pocket out of the small window, and then route the remaining of the house, which has 1 inch depth of cut, so that the house will disconnect from the support material. So let's go and do that. To create a pocket, we go to edit and we click on protrusion. Now we have a formula to create a protrusion. There are two parameters in this formula. D is the diameter of the drill. In this case, it is 0.125 inch. And R, typically this formula is made for circle, but if we want to make a pocket out of another shape than a circle, we just substitute R for the longest side of the pocket. So in this case, the longest side is this horizontal line of the window, which measures 0.8 of an inch. We click on OK. We've already calculated the factor, which is 85% for this window. We click on continue. Now the program asks us to locate the focus of the protrusion. The focus of the protrusion is always the middle of the shape that we want to make the pocket. In this case, we already placed a construction line to help us find the middle, and we have midpoint selected. So we click on the middle of that construction line. Now the program asks us to give us a window to make the protrusion. We're going to make a window and like this to select what we want to protrude. Notice that we didn't select the middle line. Now we got a first protrusion. Now we're going to click F9 to keep on making other protrusion, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, until we get the message nothing to redo. So we're done. Now basically what we have is all those lines will give us the pocket that we want after they are routed, and it's only 0.5 inch deep. So what we want to do, we want to select segment and click on route semi-automatic. We're going to route the very first line of this of this pocket. Let's go view display route arrow, and then we're going to select window to route the remaining of it, and then OK. So we route, if we click on zoom window, we routed the first, second, third, fourth element, and then the CNC will move and route another square, and then another square, and another square, another rectangle, until we get the pocket. So we're going to view zoom out, and we're going to do view show route. So here we have it. This is the pocket. Now the last thing we need to do is to basically route the outside of the house. We click on all the elements of the outside of the house to be routed, and here we go. So basically the window in the middle has 0.5 inch, which depth of cut. So we're going to create a pocket like we see, and then we're going to route the outside of the house, the contour, and then the house will disconnect from the main material. And we have to focus on the gray area, because what is in gray is what will be left from the machining process.